Today we talk about British decimal 2p coin, often shortened to 2p in writing and speech, is a denomination of sterling coinage equaling 2100 of a pound. Since the coin's introduction on the 15th of February, 1971, the year British currency was decimalised, its obverse has featured 4 profiles of Queen Elizabeth II. The coin's reverse included the words new pence until 1982, when they were replaced with 2p. The 2p coin is legal tender for amounts up to 2p. A small number of 2p coins were mistakenly struck with the wording new pence on the reverse in 1983. The coins have a mild steel core and are electroplated with copper, making them magnetic. Reverse: the original reverse of the coin, designed by Christopher Ironside and used from 1971 to 2008, is the badge of the Prince of Wales, a plume of ostrich feathers within a coronet, above the German motto ICHDN, I serve. The numeral 2 is written below the badge, and either new pence, 1971 to 1981, or 2p, from 1982, is written above. A small number of 1,983 mintage coins exist with the new pence wording. It was originally planned that an alternative version of the 2p would be minted with a design representing Northern Ireland winking sad smiley 8. These plans never came to fruition. The same design was also recut in 1993, producing 2 minor varieties for that year. 9. Obverse. 5 different obverses were used during the reign of Queen Elizabeth II, 4 different portraits and the removal of the beaded border in 2008. 9. In all cases, the inscription is Elizabeth II D.G.Reg.F.D. 2013. 9. Where 2013 is replaced by the year of minting. In the original design, both sides of the coin are encircled by dots, a common feature on coins, known as beading. The 2p coin was introduced on February 15, 1971. The coin was originally made of bronze, but was changed to copper-plated steel in 1992. The coin's reverse design changed from a plume of ostrich feathers to a segment of the royal shield in 2008. The coin's obverse has featured 4 profiles of Queen Elizabeth II since its introduction. The coin's legal tender status is not normally relevant for everyday transactions. From its first minting in 1971 until 1992, 2p coins were made from bronze. In 1992, this was changed to copper-plated steel because of the increasing price of copper used to make bronze. 3. Both the bronze and steel versions were made in 1992 as it was the transition year. However, in 1998 a small quantity of bronze 2p were made alongside the standard copper-plated steel. The number of bronze 2p from this year was 98,676,000 versus the 115,154,000 copperplate steel. 4. The Royal Mint issued British pound coins in 8 different denominations, including this 2p coin Great Britain. They are part of the pound sterling coin series. The Royal Mint started issuing these 0.02 British pound coins in 1971. They are currently still in circulation. Friends, if you like the video, you must share the video and we will definitely comment in the comment section and submit our feedback and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this.